Hey traders from around the world, it's Jeremy Alexander Newsom with reallifetrading.com. We are checking out AMD because today is a trade review and it's Friday, so we get a chance to look at an individual trade that some traders in the real life trading community played. And today I'm taking two traders, Dale Ryan and Josh Rhodes, both of whom played AMD like absolute stud muffins. Look at Dale, played the first 3 minute candle, nice upper shadow. Got a good close above that candle. So he set up a limit buy to get in right at the top of the candle with a stop below the low of that candle. That's how he played it. Nothing too crazy. Got triggered on the third candle. Was feeling really good here. Probably was kind of upset on that move. And then nice little bounce. Really nice bounce. And then just a classic run up. Trade right to the 2R target. Dale Ryan, literally phenomenal. And the funny part is Josh Rhodes did about the exact same thing. Almost the exact same trade. Check this out. Just a nice bull volume came in. Bunch of buyers. So Josh said, hey, this is a really good gap. Let me see if it pulls back. Pulls back happens. So there's the pullback. Stop loss, right? A little bit lower than halfway into this candle. And, again, could have lost, could have won. Doesn't matter. Trade sideways for a while, and then boom, trades up to the 2.4R target. Truly perfection. Now, why did both Josh and Dale absolutely smash AMD? Well, because it was a perfect gap and go. You had a very nice bullish candle close yesterday. You had a bearish candle that made a new all-time high. So, right, some new shorts are piling in, trying to drive it down. Makes a new all-time high. Inside candle. Really good retesting of previous old resistance, new support. Shout outs to Edward Lin and Graham Cohen, who went long yesterday on AMD because, why would you not after that volume, after that candle, after that close, after AMD's been trading sideways for like the entire year. And you got that close, just disastrously phenomenal gap. Tiny gap, wasn't too big, just right above the high of yesterday. Big solid volume, nothing but bulls. Gorgeous. If you did not get a chance to play AMD today, sorry. The 5-minute chart is a thing of beauty. This morning star pattern right here, it is a 9.4 out of 10. If this candle high was just the exact same high as this candle, it would be a 10 out of 10 would trade again. Just a phenomenal setup. Boys, Dale and Josh and all the other traders out there who played it, well done. AMD is absolutely paying for some bills this weekend. Team, thanks so much for tuning in to your trade review. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions or want a stock to be reviewed, Monday is the next stock review, and I'll be doing that. So throw in your comments, your feedback, your stock that you want me to review on Monday, and I'll be happy to do that for you. You guys rock, and until next time, live life and trade it. Bye.